Model: 2019 Volkswagen Crafter Startline County Route 35, Curtain Cider Spares OR Repairs 2.0TDI 177PS Rear-wheel drive medium wheelbase, Grin. Body: white, Luton, box. Mileage: 134298. Engine: 1968 cc 2.0TDI 177PS EU6. Transmission: 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.